Assalamualaikum viewers, hope you are fine. Chapter number 6, short questions related to ALP Smart Syllabus. Hope it will be helpful for you. If you have any query, you can message. You can comment in the comment section. Keep connecting with us for more updates. Thank you so much. Allah.